That's going to be a Glock magazine that's located within the center console.
All right. I'm going to show you what I've marked as States Exhibit 43 and ask if you recognize this.
Yes.
All right, and what is it?
This is going to be the Glock magazine as well as a firearm holster that I recovered from the center console.
Okay. And how do you know that's what it is?
I labeled it, and then it has the case number and my initials on it.
All right. Does it appear to be tampered with in any way?
No.
All right. And Judge, I move to admit States Exhibit 43.
No objection.
States Exhibit 43 is admitted without objection.
Can you open it for me, please?
Yes.
Okay. So you have here in this bag this holster, and can you tell me who issued or who made the manufacturer of the holster?
It says "We the People" on it, so I'm not really quite sure who makes it, but it says "We the People."
Okay, that's fair enough. I'll take that. And this magazine here, what kind of firearm was this magazine associated with?
It's labeled with Glock as well as 9mm on the back.
All right, so it is a magazine that is it capable of holding 9mm ammunition?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in the photograph we're looking at here, 17.18, is that exactly how you found it?
Yes.
All right. In that one, does it appear to have ammunition in it?
Yes, it does have live cartridges in it.
All right, live cartridges. That's what you
Or
call it.
ammunition, yes.
Okay. There's probably so many terms. Real bullets ready to fire in the magazine. Is that a fair way to say it?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to show you States Exhibit 43.1. Can you tell me what that is?
Yes.
Or if you recognize it?
Yes, these are going to be the live cartridges that I removed from the magazine.
All right. Could anybody tamper with those?
No.
All right. And Judge, I move to admit States Exhibit 43.1.
No objection.
States Exhibit 43.1 is admitted without objection.
All right. And we're not going to worry about opening it. It's a whole bunch. How many were in there?
15? Yes.
15. So 15 9mm rounds inside of this Glock magazine that was in there?
Yes.
Are you familiar with guns at all?
Yes.
All right. And that magazine, would it fit inside of a Glock 19 semi-automatic 9mm pistol?
I believe so.
Okay. And can we go to the next photograph? And what are we looking at here?
That's going to be the rear area of the truck. It has 4 trash bags in it.
All right. Did you go through all of the trash bags that were in there?
I did.
Okay. Now, again, same procedures once you searched the truck. Did you take everything that you've seized and logged it into evidence in the crime scene unit?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And lastly, I want to take you to States Exhibit number, and I'm going to start with States Exhibit number 38.1, and then we'll come back to the rest of them. After you searched the black Ford F-150, did you search the police-issued vehicle to Mr. Bryant?
I searched both of them on the same day. Yes.
Same day, okay. And where did you search that vehicle at?
Also at Gwinnett County Police Headquarters.
Okay. And if you can go ahead and display States Exhibit 38.1. All right. And Ms. Nanger, what we're looking at here?
That's going to be the crime scene unit garage bay again with the vehicle in the back.
Okay. And what kind of is this? It looks like a Ford Explorer to me. Is that what it is, or a Ford Police Interceptor, or what is it?
I'd have to see the back photo, but
Okay.
yes, that's what they typically are.
All right. And can we go to the next one? States Exhibit 38.2. What are we looking at here?
That's going to be the front area of the vehicle with the MDT on the arm there.
All right. And we'll go to the next photograph. That photograph, what are we looking at?
That's going to be the same area from the opposing side, so it's looking towards the MDT.
What is you're using the word MDT, or the initials, what is that?
That's That's a mobile data terminal. Police use it for communicating while on calls.
Okay, so the police issued laptop?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that fair to say?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to show you State's Exhibit number 47. Can you tell us what this is?
Yes. This is the NDT that I collected from the vehicle.
And from the image, this is the same one that we're looking at here in State's Exhibit 38.3?
Yes.
And how can you tell that?
It has the case number written on it, as well as my initials.
Does it appear that anyone has tampered with it in any way?
No.
Okay. And, Your Honor, I move to admit State's Exhibit number 47.
No objection.
State Exhibit 47 is admitted without objection.
Ms. Nettinger, would you open this for me, please? All right. So this is, I guess, just all of the different parts of it here as well.
Yes.
I don't want to mess with it. Here on these, this here, the MDT, I guess, is it all one piece? I don't want to fall. Okay, so this here, that's the same thing that's sitting right there in Mr. Bryant's patrol vehicle, 38.3?
Yes, it is.
All right, now, this is operate kind of just like a laptop does.
Yes.
Opens up and you're able to open it up there. So open it up, able to type things into it, access the internet, access stuff like that?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Whenever you, obviously you seized this, but what did you do with it when you got it?
I'll submit it to evidence and wait for any kind of further requests, a detective or any downloads.
Okay. So did you do anything with it other than take it from the vehicle and log it into evidence?
No.
Okay. All right. And if we could go to the next photograph. All right, what are we looking at here?
That's going.
Sorry, go ahead.
That's going to be the same police vehicle. That's going to be the rear trunk.
All right, and here in the trunk, obviously is ballistic, bulletproof police issued vest.
Yes.
Okay, and also over here on the right, what were those on the right? These two larger, longer bags here.
Those are going to be rifle bags.
Okay, were rifles in them?
I don't believe so.
Okay, and to the next photograph, 38.5. What are we looking at here?
That's after I've removed the vest and some other large items. There was an empty vodka bottle sitting in the trunk.
Okay. You can go ahead and turn the display off. After you searched the defendant's police-issued vehicle, did you turn those items into evidence as well, like we talked about?
Yes.
Okay. Collect these two. Ms. Nettinger, I appreciate you being here, and I don't have any questions for you.
Thank you.
Defense may have. Ms. Ray?
Your Honor, even though I was handling the objections are not regarding the evidence, may Mr. Dobbins do cross?
State have any objection?
Oh, no,
No, okay.
No objection.
I didn't. Sir.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Just a couple questions. You had indicated that in my client's personal vehicle, the black F-150, is located, I believe it was zip cuffs, disposable gloves, a tactical vest, and handcuffs. To your knowledge, is that standard police equipment that a law enforcement officer would have?
Yes.
And I believe you said it was $1,000 that you located?
Yes, and $20 bills.
You say there was no case information on that bag. To your knowledge, was that actual evidence in any type of an ongoing case?
At least for Gwinnett County Police Department, we're not allowed to use evidence bags for our personal use. So if I locate something within an evidence bag, I assume it's related to a case.
Do you know if that's the policy of the Doraville Police?
I'm not familiar with Doraville.
And what was the date of the search? Let me ask you this first. Were all three searches on both vehicles and the apartment done on the same day?
No, I believe the vehicles were done 2 days later.
Okay, and what were the dates for the searches?
The apartment was on the 13th, and then the vehicles were on the 15th.
One moment. I have no further questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dobbins. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, may we release this witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
thank you very much.
Thank you.